What's up guys, I'm back again with another new video. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On my last video I posted on where we are going to this thick forest to see what we can find here.
You don't look back. If you see a python, you either cross or you let it cross. You should never kill a python. That is the culture of the place where you are. You don't kill python.
The first video I posted was the part 1 of this video. Then this should be the part 2 of this video. Please watch this video to the end and see what is going to happen in there in Isunjaba. So after we have gotten to this main place of Isunjaba, there is something mysteriously that happened. Remember the rule: no killing of python.
You don't look back. If you see a python, you either cross or you let it cross.
So on our way to this thick forest, this is what we will find here. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you are watching, please don't forget to give it a like, and if you like what I'm doing in this channel, please consider subscribing so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified that Nazi has uploaded a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. See you in my next one. Bye for now.